1 is a number on a 6-sided dice. It's also known as busted. Always trying to get what I want. Instead, I just broke my axe. I throw, I don't want that number. Throw, I don't want to get snake eyes. Throw, please make this save. Throw, I think I'm gonna die. I don't want no ones. A 1 is a number I just don't want to see. Just failed to attack and took a blast. Now they're trying to heal me. I don't want no ones. A 1 is a number I just don't want to see. Just failed to attack and took a blast. Now they're trying to heal me. The rolling ones is all I see. Now the game's kind of weak. I know that roll won't save me, because I was hoping this would last. My roll is like Gandalf and none shall pass. Can't get very far with a broken axe. So no, I don't want your number, no. Don't want to roll snake eyes, and no. Please make this saving throw, no. Think I'm gonna die, no. I don't want no ones. A 1 is a number I just don't want to see. I took a blast and now they're trying to heal me. I don't want no ones. 1 is a number I just don't want to see. Just took an attack and took a blast. Now they're trying to heal me. If the party's wipe and I'm still fighting, oh yes, 1, I'm talking to you. If there's only way to survive, oh yes, 1, I'm talking to you. You need a 2 or better, oh yes, 1, I'm talking to you. Wanna get through this without resing, oh no, I don't want no. See how high roll was where I spend my maximizing, my levels in class at once of never rising. Don't find it surprising if you don't have the 6s, please me, and screaming something explicit. So this gives me something to think about, and if I have a new character as it turns out, can't forget to focus on the class of the rest of the party. Glass cannon healer, so a tank is what I go. Satisfy the game with something spectacular. Check my vernacular and then get back to you. With like precision, unstoppable is what I envision. Can't detect the acquisition from the DM's expedition. A berserker if you really want to know. That's the healer if I can watch it grow. Not really, maybe a ranger or a paladin. I just don't want to begin again. But you don't hear me though. I throw, don't want no ones. A 1 is a number I just don't want to see. Just took an attack and then a blast. Now they're trying to heal me. I don't want no ones. 1 is a number I just don't want to see. Just took an attack and then a blast. Now they're trying to heal me. I don't want no ones. A 1 is a number I just don't want to see. I'm failing to attack and took a blast. Now they're trying to heal me. I don't want no ones. A 1 is a number I just don't want to see. Just took an attack and then a blast. Now they're trying to heal me. Oh, ones of love. No ones, no love. No ones, no love. No ones, no love. No ones, no ones.